So this is the Forest Jetpack, and I have the top off, and the system power is on. So let's start first with the LED routines. So we're gonna press that guy. Wait, is it this guy? Maybe it's that guy. Here we go. There we go. That is what it looks like. So this is using the Fire 2012 library that runs off of fast LED, and these are just these are Adafruit dot star LED strips. So this is your standard Fire pattern. Let's try the next one. So this is another one that I tweaked that has some more pinks and blues in it. Looks kind of cool. And then the next one is also takes advantage of one of the Fire 2012 demos, and it cycles the hue with every frame. So you get sort of a baseline that keeps rotating, which is kind of cool. So the next thing I want to show you is the smoke effect. So smoke is turned on by pressing this other button. And what you'll see in just a bit is some smoke coming out. Wow, that's really washed out. Okay. There we go. Come on now. There we go. So what this is using is 2 modified vape pens. And it just uses the cartridge and then some nicotine-free vape juice. And yeah, oh, there we go. It's working great. Super. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so that's the Forest Jetpack. Thanks for watching.